How can you access members-only sections to train with us? This video will tell you how. On the page, once you've accessed it, you will find full 1-hour classes, teaching segments on new techniques, and we are looking to have a video conference area for live feedback. See how to do this right now.
This tutorial is to show you how a student will access their members-only account. First, go to our website, amai-eaglestyle.com. In the top right-hand corner, there's a login button. Click it. This will give you 3 options to log in, which will be creating an account, either with Facebook if you already use Facebook, with Google if you already use Google, or you can type in an email and a password. I'm going to use Google. I choose my email. And now I've got a message saying that your request has been sent and is awaiting approval. Please allow our staff up to 24 hours to approve your account. If you're a current student with us, your account will be approved, and then you will receive an email. I'm going to go approve this account now. Okay, I'm back. Let's look at one thing here. In my inbox for Gmail, I've got confirmation that I'm now a site member. So now how do I log in? I go back to our website. I go to log in. It's going to look the same. I use login with Google. I choose my account. I enter my password. That brings us back to the site, but what has changed is where it used to say login now has my name. And if I drop down the menu, I see 3 options. My wallet will not be used by most of you. It's only if you've purchased something through our website. My account is where you're going to go, and log out will log you out. On my account, we will come to a new page with your account details. So here we see my name and the email I used to demonstrate this login. Here it says my account underneath my name. Underneath that, it says members only. This is how you access the members only page. Click here. And now you are on the members only page where your training will be posted by Grandmaster Crandall and myself.